3 places around Legian to eat when you're drunk. Good food. Let's go. Okay, so we're here on Jalan Pantai. This is Jalan Pantai. Malaysia Street's about 100 metres, not even 100 metres away. We're at a restaurant called The Fork Bakery and Grill. So we're going to go in and check it out. Apparently it's supposed to be alright. So we're going to go in and check it out and see what it's like. Great big barbecue units here. You can see the fires going. Alright, they're going to open it up for us. Give us a look. Wow, look at that. They've got all the chickens in there. They're smoking and grilling away. Very good. And that, alright. And that's a garlic dog. And that's a garlic dog. Alright. So it's actually a very big area actually. And looks like they've got another kitchens. Oh, so they've got the smokers out the front. And they've got the kitchens in here. It looks very good. They've got a little bakery with some cakes and stuff. Check that out. Looks good. Hello. They've got a pizza oven in the back. They've got all the wood here. Hello. Hello, sir. How are you?
Welcome to the farm.
This is really good. There's just like 3 different separate kitchens in here. I've never been in here before. I never really checked it out. So it looks like this is all the wood fire grilling area. You can see there's a lot of people in here in the back. But we're going to sit out the front and check it out the front. Quite large area here. Look at this. There's so many tables out the front, right on Jalan Pantai and that. So you're right on the road, and looks like a bar here, but it's closed. So anyway, we'll probably sit up here in the shade and yeah, see what the menu's like. All right, so check this out. The Smoke Set Full Sampler. All right, this actually looks all right. 400,000 baht, but you get all different types of meat. Chicken, beef, everything. So you got smoked brisket, lamb smoked, chicken mousse, sausage smoked, everything smoked on them big smokers out the back. So you got ribs, pork belly, chicken. So it's mainly more or less a full-on barbecue place there. Okay, so we've got Italian smoked pizzas, all different types of pizzas. They look good. Italian cheese mushroom pizza, 80,000, $8. And they look good. I think I might just go with pizza. Thank you. All right, so this is my beef meat pizza. It looks pretty good. Look at the size of that.
Is there meat on it though?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
Check that out. It's a pretty good looking pizza. I'm not quite sure how hot it is. It's pretty hot. It's wood fire cooked. It looks good. I think I'll let it cool down a little bit before I'll have a bite on it. Plenty of onions in it, and yeah, it looks good. Okay, so we're going to try this pizza out.
Well, it's obviously not barbecue.
Well, the tomato sauce on it is like stewed tomato, so it's a homemade tomato sauce for sure. It's not any bottled stuff or... Yeah, it's very good. There's all the garlic in it, cheese. There's really not as much cheese as what I would have thought on it. Yeah, it's not too bad. So Benny got like a biryani style rice and half a duck. Okay, so pretty good food really. My pizza was $10, like 100,000. Benny's duck actually was only 60,000, which is really good. And the biryani rice as well. So his was about $10, Steve. So for both of us with drinks, it's probably about, I don't know, $25, you know, for 2 of us. Pizza's pretty good. It's wood oven pizza, and there wasn't enough cheese in it, I don't reckon, but it was pretty good anyway. So anyway, The Fork on Jalan Pantai. I'll leave a link in the description. Okay, so we're here for the Sunday lunch at the Naughty Duck. Now, the Naughty Duck, if you ever watched Hey Hey Sunday back in the 70s, 80s, or whenever it was, this is pluck a duck. So we're going to go in, check it out, do the Sunday roast. Oh, here's Rude here. Oh, you already got it? All right, how's this? Good shit. Sit down, Sunday roast is ready to go. So it's chicken, beef, pumpkin, potatoes, peas, heaps of gravy. Let's try it out. Me with Rude the Crazy Dutch Man. He puts mayonnaise on his chicken. Typical Dutch food, mayonnaise on everything. Yeah? So we've got peas and gravy. So long since I've eaten proper peas, eh? Chicken's good, a little bit dry, but with the gravy it's alright. Now we ordered this a long time ago, so we're sort of late to have it, so chicken's a bit dry, but it's probably a lot better if you got here on time. We're about 2 hours late, but it's good. With the gravy, the demi-glaze, very good. Okay, so absolutely smashed that. It was really good actually. We had a proper baked dinner for a long time. So 120,000, about 12 bucks. It's well worth it. Come into the Naughty Duck, Jalan Benassari. Check it out. Alright, so that's the Sunday roast from the Beknakal, which means the Naughty Duck. And yeah, Pluck a Duck. If you ever watch Hey Hey Saturday, Pluck a Duck. This is the owner of this place. It's really good. The football's finished, but they got the sports on, like the car racing, different shit like that. So come in, Naughty Duck, check it out. It's on Jalan Benassari. Yo, Jalan Benassari. It's called KOOTERS Bar. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the big burger with bacon, egg, and all that, like an Aussie burger. And yeah, we'll see what it's like. Absolutely massive place. Got a massive kitchen, got a bar in the back, got bands down here, got pool tables everywhere, got table tennis even. And you see down the back we've got the band set up. They got bands over the weekend, they got motorbikes for rent, got rooms upstairs. Alright, so this is it. This is the KOOTERS Bar burger. Looks bloody good, doesn't it? It's got onions, bacon, cheese, egg, tomato, everything, and a little cup full of chips. It's about, I think, about 10 bucks, around 10 bucks Australian. Let's try it out. Check out the size of the chips, bloody good. Oh, a bit hot, but very good. It's a very big burger. It's got everything, bacon, egg, cheese, everything you think of. Australian beef, check it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's got a very good taste. The bacon and the patty's a bit char grilled. Tastes very good. Anyway, KOOTERS Bar, it's on Jalan Benassari. Come in and check it out. Great burgers, they really are actually. Let me have another bite just to check up. In these burgers they got everything. They got like carrots, garlic, onions, everything in them. Really good tasting burgers, so try it out, KOOTERS Bar. Anyway, well I hope you like that video. You know the drill, thumbs up and all that. See you on the next video.